Yes, you're going to see some of our mighty locomotives at the moment, and there's a couple of torpedoes there. You'll notice our locomotives as we pass. I've just been told we haven't got the Redbridge part of the works. When we go around there again, we are now getting deer up there as well. There's a part of the country, especially on the lateral, between here and if you keep looking over to your right, you can see the main line, you can see the Trent yards, and you can see the coal handling place. And again, you get it. We were over there earlier, or we might be over there in a bit. You can see the scale of things here. It's a huge works. Friday down to Eastleigh. So we're usually sending it out about 100 metres, or sometimes we do welding together for greater lengths again. So there are the canopies and everything up there, where we load things. And as I say, all the little magnets come down in one go to pick up a piece of rail on, pick up a couple of pieces of rail. It's our intention to get here in the week one day and find out more information. So gradually, as you all come round again, we can tell you more and more. Real-time train that goes down through Doncaster area, then Chesterfield.
Yeah.
This is where we load everything on, and then our locomotives pull them out, and then we'll take them to probably Redbridge sidings, and then EWS will come on, and away we go. So in here you can see part of the scale, all the cranes and everything, what we have to use. How many people work up here, do you know? I honestly don't know. I'll try and get up again this week and find out if management are friendly. When you look at the rail in here, it makes you wonder how much we use, doesn't it? And all the steel you're going to see in a bit, that's all going to go through the mills and will all end up in here. So it's quite amazing. I'll just keep his fingers crossed. We want to be looking to the left, okay? So everybody get on the left-hand side and keep looking, and I really hope we can see the beginning of the rolling. Typical, we're not rolling. Now and again we do see at times. Now and again we do see at times. So here comes our little steam engine. It's approaching from Chester 5. So give everybody a wave, okay. And somewhere on the footplate is Harry and he's 13. He's with his granddad. Granddad is riding today, so here's our little steam engine for you, okay? We have 3 steam engines all together. One is in repair at the moment, which we will see, and the other one, number 22, is gone out on the to So there we go, give them a wave, give them a wave.
It's all party in there.
The society have got some work to do on them. These lads are on 12 hours, don't forget. Oh, here we go. There they go. Give them a wave, give them a wave. So these torpedoes now are going back to be refilled. One had the cover on, one didn't, okay? We're also on Twitter as well. Me being an old man at 73 years of age, I have to clue what Twitter is. So no doubt I'll get educated this one. Okay? So please, tell us about today, what you think. We need your feedback to make it better. If you think it was no good, let us know. If you think it was good, then let us know, we can make it better. Okay? Because you people are important to us. And Simon, let Simon know as well. Because he's done a great job today organising you all and all the work what went into it. If you'll notice, when Simon was on the station, he was going a sort of a grave with worry, and now we've got him here and he's now smiling. So when we get off the train, let's have a round of applause for Simon. He's done an absolutely great job, and know there is communication to do it again. Okay?
Wow.
How close do you want to get to them?
Around about 1,200 feet per second as it's going through the rolling mill. We're usually rolling about 4 coils every couple of minutes through the mill. We can roll 80 coils an hour, which is 160 tons, which means the majority of the steel blooms and billets go through the rod mill and coming out as coils as quick as anything. They are one of our most high value products, and that's why slowly the rod mill is going through an extension and improvement plan.
But there's quite a good fire going on over at the torpedoes at the moment. Also this bell, there's 2 torpedoes on fire. Also there's a bell-shaped thing, I didn't tell them. So as well, keep looking on the left. You'll see where behind these buildings there are 2 torpedoes on fire. journey to Upnall. And like I say, there's Loco. As we